Alright, today Chad and I are going to be checking out this beautiful 1970 Lemans Convertible. Painted in a beautiful turquoise metallic. All around just awesome car, drop top, tons of power.
Yeah, what a fun car. When this car came in, guys, it is just a blast to drive. I can't wait to get behind the wheel of it again. As we look up and down the sides, the body is super straight on it. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. It's got really solid floor pans. BFG raised white letter tires all the way around, just wrapped around some really nice Cragar SS rims.
Motor release for this thing is right here.
Struggling?
Struggling. Not as simple as I
Move
thought
your feet, push it down a little bit. That's how the Pontiacs works on. As we go underneath the hood on this thing, it is gorgeous. And some serious horsepower. I mean, this thing's pushing out over 400 horse. As we look at the firewall, I mean, show quality firewall, inner fenders are painted nicely, power steering pump, alternator bracket, water pump engine, everything's painted body color on this car.
It's nice with it down to the hood because they kind of splashed in a good amount of body color without going too crazy and painting the black and all that. So it looks very well done.
Nice set of headers. It's got power steering, power brakes, disc on the front, brand new Napa Legend battery. I mean, we don't let a car come in here without putting a new battery in if it needs it. Just easier that way. Bottom of the hood is nice. It's got a brand new hood tachometer that we installed. The gap has no clearance issues except for right up front here. No chips, not like that, but just a little tighter in the front. Passenger side's nice and even from front to back and fits in there just perfectly flush. Really nice all the way around.
This car turned out really nice after that buff.
It did. I mean, Tim buffed it out. It's got newer paint on it. Tim buffed it out. Just a fantastic car. Just another one that whoever's going to get this car, once they get behind the wheels, just going to have a damn smile on their face. Grill is perfect. Front bumper is excellent. These two annoying things down here for your front license plate bracket. Headlight chrome around there, and headlights are all in great shape. Again, as we look up and down the sides, both sides super straight. One thing the next customer could add that I think would really dress it up is just some wheel well trim, Dalton.
Yeah.
It's not very expensive, a couple $100. Back of the hood lines up nice. Top of the fender to the door. No bubbles or blisters. I mean, the paint and body is really nice on the car. How I would classify as a beautiful turnkey local car show quality build, cruise night car, just sweet. It's got a great dual exhaust system on it, the correct GTO tips, back bumper chrome has been polished beautifully, tail light lenses, all is in great shape. Rear spoiler we added. This thing doesn't sound like your grandma grandpa's Le Mans, buddy.
No, it don't.
This might not be a GTO. It's not a GTO clone. There's nothing GTO about the outside, inside, as far as emblems. But this thing's got all the power that a 70 GTO would have had in the day. And the sound.
And the spoiler.
Wonder if that antenna works. I'm gonna check that. There's a toggle under there. I don't know if that's what it's for or not. Yeah, if a guy wants to make a clone, you can put Judge spoiler and hood on it if you wanted to. Or the Judge decals, I mean. That's top. Corner of the door is perfect. The door is excellent. Door panels, armrest bases, dash pad, carpet. The rear lights work perfectly on both of them.
I'm not sure on that part.
Okay. The rear door panels are perfect. It's got the beautiful seat belts in it as well. They've all been replaced. It's got a white top on it, which really looks cool.
Should we put the...
Yeah, we can take some pictures of it later. Power top works excellent. Back door panels, back seat. I mean, everything on the interior of this car is in excellent condition. It's got tilt wheel, which is nice. JVC CD player aftermarket gauges. Door jamb paint's all done nicely as well. The jambs are excellent.
And that might be connected with the radio when we turn the radio on.
Could. I just know I was having a hard time getting stations. Again, the back bumper and the tail lights are excellent. The trunk finish is great as you look down the back side here. Doesn't stick out at all. I just can't believe how this thing looks outside. It's the first time I've seen it really outside since we've got it all buffed up.
This one's gonna sell fast. It's a quality car.
It is. We sold an orange one very similar to this. That was a 71, I think. This was a 70. Same kind of money. The guy was super happy. I know there's a testimonial of it on our website. Kind of similar car. I think that was a 350 in it, but still had a lot of power. Even the fit and finish, Dalton, the way the lower fender fits the door all the way from top to bottom, it's just excellent. Dual sport mirrors. Tim put all new bucket seat chrome that we had here on our shelf. Got all that done. That really made a difference. Really proud of this car. Odometer's got 26,000 miles. Again, brand new hood tack. And the hood tack works perfect, lights up. It does have an in-dash tack that it had when it came in. I left that hooked up as well. I figured, why not? Oil pressure's at 50 pounds at an idle.
The only thing better than one tack is two tacks.
Yeah, hell yes, you got two tacks. 160 degrees. Heater fan works. I'm having a problem with wipers lately, D. Here we are. Wipers aren't working, horn works.
But they can work.
Yeah, we'll fix the wipers, guys. And it might even just be that blade down there. Might be just a bad adjustment. As far as our rear view mirrors, nice and tight. Visors are nice. JVC CD player. So every single thing works on this car.
It's got a lot of balls. I remember when I drove back from
Awesome.
getting the hood tack put in.
You're lucky you made it back. The gas gauge was on empty. So I didn't know if the gas gauge worked, guys. It does. I just went down and put 10 gallon in it. Went right up to half. So gas gauge works perfect as well. So the only thing is the wipers. Kick panels are nice as well, and they got really nice new knobs on them. I think they've been replaced.
Convertible time yet.
Taking that hat off.
Taking the hat off.
I love the hood tacks on these Pontiacs. They're just so damn cool. Go through the gears with that.
Holy smokes. It's definitely got some balls. It wasn't doing that when I got the needle on E. I wouldn't have made it back.
Our brakes are perfect. So we just redid all the brakes. So we did front brakes, we did turn the drums, all that kind of stuff. Went through everything. The brakes were perfect. Brent did a great job on that.
Man, this thing's a ball.
90 mile an hour, tires were so slow. This is a fun car, you guys.
Yeah,
seriously. Great paint. Look how it goes down the road. It's just a fantastic car.
Yeah,
beautiful interior. Funner than hell.
I'm impressed.
Very nice car. It's ready to roll. Brakes are excellent. Transmission shifts great. Got a nice stereo in it. We get a decent antenna. Figure out how that power antenna works.
I like it.
I'm still smiling. You're smiling. We're all smiling.
I didn't know it was capable of that.
What's that?
I didn't know it was capable of spinning them like that. I felt like I was back in the racetrack.
In a circle. Yeah. It's like those new Challengers, right? There's our radio. So you got a speaker in the front. You got speakers in the back as well. And then the other thing I want to point out is, I mean, this thing has that much power, but listen to it at an idle. It sits here and just purrs.
Exactly. It'll really do whatever you want to do. You know, you can squirrel tires and get in some trouble, or you can just cruise.
I mean, seriously, yeah, you can. It's just it's a cool cruising car too. I mean, you can take it in a parade. I mean, it doesn't sound goofy, but I love this thing. So this is gonna be sold, man.
I know.
Mark a sold sticker on it, and it's fantastic.
Badass car. All right, we're gonna put it away before we lose some tires on it. So check it out, coyoteplastics.com. You can be the next one to burn some rubber in this Pontiac.